Morning, everyone. Working with Al. Dump truck engaged. Excavator engaged. Smash the trees. Okay. Alright, let me cut them up. Move tree to make like a tree and leave. Oh, bent. Hook it, hook it. Break it, break it. Grab it, grab it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Snap, crackle, pop, motherfucker. I saw a possum earlier. It was in that tree that I uprooted. I poked him, he came right out. Gave him a little poke. Yeah, smashy smash. What is that? Piece of metal. Take that. Well, pine tree in the mix, huh? Had a bunch of storms blow over. I guess the neighbor's paying for the cleanup. Alright, well, I better get busy cutting it. It ain't gonna cut itself. Might fall on its own, but it won't cut itself. Alright, I'll cut it. Like and subscribe for more excavators like this.
2 times, so we can put it in this trailer. He needs 60 pieces.
60 pieces? This is gum.
Huh?
This one's gum.
Oh.
You don't want that.
I think we got 60 in there.
Yeah.
You don't want the big one.
You got that little one there. It'll be 60. It'll be fine.
This one, take them out.
Yeah, that's gum. That ain't no good. Anyway, like and subscribe.